10 Ford Maverick Tonneau cover 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10, Maverick Hardshell Folding Tonneau. Elevate your 2022 to 2026 Ford Maverick's utility with the Maverick Hardshell Folding Tonneau. Designed specifically for your 4 feet 6 inches bed, this low-profile, robust cover is your cargo's ultimate guardian. Its rugged hardshell design effortlessly shields against rain, snow, dust, and UV rays, ensuring your gear is always protected. Your valuables stay secure as the folding panels lock completely with your closed tailgate. Need quick access? It folds back in seconds. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling. Simply clamp the rails. Drive confidently, knowing your investment is backed by a limited lifetime warranty and our dedicated US-based team. Protect your gear effortlessly. Number 9, Ford Maverick Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover. Elevate your Ford Maverick's utility and style with our soft trifold tonneau cover, specifically for 2022 to 2026 models with a 4 feet 6 inches bed. Crafted from robust double-layer PVC, it offers superior UV protection and durability, safeguarding your cargo from sun, rain, snow, and dust. Installation is drill-free and incredibly simple, thanks to pre-assembled rails and aluminum clamps. An intelligent latching system and double waterproof strips provide unmatched security against theft and the elements, keeping belongings dry and secure, even at highway speeds. Enjoy a perfect fit, peace of mind, and dedicated support, protecting your investment effortlessly. Number 8, Maverick 2022 to 2026 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover. Protect your 2022 to 2026 Maverick 4.5-foot bed with the ultimate cargo solution, the High Wolf Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover. This premium protector is meticulously crafted from robust, dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, expertly designed to resist harsh UV rays, corrosive acid rain, and unsightly cracking. It reliably keeps your valuable gear safe and dry from all elements, whether it's work tools, groceries, or camping equipment. Reinforced 4+1 aluminum ribs prevent sagging, ensuring long-term durability and a sleek profile, while an upgraded EPDM seal guarantees a completely watertight bed. Enjoy easy, tool-free installation using quick-lock clips for instant and convenient access. Drive confidently knowing High Wolf has your back, providing peace of mind with a robust 3-year accessory warranty. Number 7, Maverick Aluminum Sliding Bed Rails. Transform your Ford Maverick 2022 to 2025 with our custom-fit aluminum sliding bed rails. Crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy, these rails strike the perfect balance of lightweight design and exceptional strength, ready to secure up to 250 pounds per rail. You'll love their waterproof, anti-rust resilience, ensuring your cargo management system lasts for years without deforming. Installation is incredibly simple, utilizing original holes without any complex tools or drilling. Just a quick cut if you have a drop-in liner. Maximize your bed space, prevent items from shifting, and keep your gear perfectly organized. Complete with 2 rails and 4 robust sliding cleats, it's the effortless upgrade your Maverick deserves for enhanced utility and peace of mind. Number 6, 2022 to 2026 Ford Maverick Easy Fold Hard Tonneau Cover. Elevate your 2022 to 2026 Ford Maverick's utility with our Easy Fold Hard Tonneau Cover, custom engineered for its 4 feet 6 inches bed. Imagine effortlessly securing your gear. Our exclusive one-handed operation means no more fumbling, just smooth, quick access. The innovative quad-fold design provides flexible entry to any part of your bed, perfect for everyday hauls or weekend adventures, all while maintaining robust security. Installation? A breeze. Our clamp-on system requires 0 drilling, so you'll be set up in minutes. Plus, its durable construction and robust latching system promise superior protection against weather and theft, enhancing your Maverick's sleek profile. Drive confidently, knowing your cargo is safe and accessible. Number 5, Ford Maverick Hard Folding Fiberglass Bed Cover. Imagine enhancing your Ford Maverick's versatility and protection effortlessly. Our hard-folding fiberglass bed cover, precisely engineered for 2022 to 2026 models with the 4.5-foot bed, is your ultimate solution. You'll immediately appreciate its high-strength fiberglass construction. Not only is it incredibly durable, but it's also lighter than traditional aluminum covers. We've designed it to conquer the elements. Double waterproof seals, an anti-fall-off latching system, and UV resistance ensure your cargo stays perfectly dry, clean, and secure from snow, dust, and prying eyes. Installation? A breeze. No drilling needed, just a straightforward setup with included hardware. Drive with confidence, knowing your valuable gear is protected every mile of the journey. Number 4. BAK Revolver X2 Maverick Tonneau Cover. Elevate your 2021 to 2026 Ford Maverick's utility with the BAK Revolver X2 tonneau cover. Experience unrivaled security from patented rotational locking rails that secure the entire bed, robust cab and side rail seals, and an integrated latching mechanism that locks with your tailgate. Crafted in the USA, its durable gloss vinyl over aluminum slats supports up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight, protecting your cargo. For full bed access, the RX2 conveniently rolls up tight against the cab, secured by integrated buckles, ensuring third brake light visibility and accommodating fifth wheel setups. Hidden cable release on either side makes operation a breeze. Backed by a 3-year guarantee and dedicated US-based support, this cover offers unmatched convenience and peace of mind. Number 3. RetraxONE XR Retractable Tonneau for Ford Maverick. Elevate your Ford Maverick 2022 to 2025 4 feet 6 inches bed with the RetraxONE XR, the ultimate retractable tonneau cover, engineered for real-world utility. Proudly made in the USA, it seamlessly transforms your truck's capabilities. Its innovative Trax rail system integrates with most T-slot accessories, unlocking expanded storage for all your gear, making every trip easier. Crafted from a single piece of durable, powder-coated polycarbonate, it shrugs off impacts, scratches, and UV rays, staying sleek and dependable without dust-collecting hinges. The low-profile design sits perfectly flush, enhancing your Maverick's aesthetic while providing a secure, weather-tight seal. Plus, installation is incredibly straightforward, so you'll be ready to hit the road in no time. Experience enhanced functionality and style. Number 2. Ford Maverick Retrax 9 Retractable Tonneau Cover. Maverick owners, it's time to unlock your truck's full potential. The Retrax 9 Retractable Tonneau Cover, precision engineered for your 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick 54-inch bed, is more than just a cover, it's an upgrade. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, its durable aluminum construction ensures your cargo is safe from prying eyes and the elements. Experience effortless operation with our discreet, quick-release handle. Simply lock your tailgate and your gear is secure. Best of all, the innovative 11-inch deep canister provides complete bed access, letting you maximize storage from bulkhead to tailgate. Enjoy ultimate peace of mind knowing your investment is protected by a comprehensive warranty. Transform your Maverick with the Retrax iX's premium security and unparalleled convenience. Number 1. BAK Revolver X4TS Hard Rolling Tonneau Cover for Maverick. Upgrade your 2022 to 2026 Ford Maverick 4 feet 5 inches bed with the BAK Revolver X4TS Hard Rolling Tonneau Cover. Its incredibly sleek, matte black finish, crafted from durable marine-grade vinyl meticulously layered over robust aluminum slats, delivers a truly stealthy and integrated aesthetic. Made in USA, it provides relentless, year-round, all-season protection for your gear, shielding it from the elements. Integrated T-slot channels uniquely unlock custom cargo management options for racks and accessories, maximizing your Maverick's utility and hauling potential. Patented locking rails and intuitive one-handed operation ensure superior security for your valuables and remarkably effortless bed access. Experience unmatched versatility, premium protection, and sophisticated style. So, that sums up my 10 Ford Maverick tonneau cover. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next